Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A54 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the faulty back cameras from the body. First, disconnect and remove the faulty macro camera from the board. To remove the main camera, the logic board must be taken out of the body. First, disconnect both antenna heads and the main flex plug from the logic board, and then undo the screw securing the board. Also, verify the SIM tray is out. Next, gently remove the logic board from the body. Next, flip the logic board and disconnect to remove the both faulty main wide camera and ultra wide camera. Next, secure the new wide and ultra wide cameras to the board. Next, gently place the logic board in the frame and then secure it by adding the screw. Next, place and secure the new micro camera into the board. Next, secure both antenna heads and the main flex plug to the logic board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.